Hi, I'm Diane and I'm a health improvement practitioner and working with the weight management team.
Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a health improvement practitioner in the wellbeing team at Live Well Southwest, and I help people try and lead a healthier lifestyle.
Today we're going to look at planning and prepping for your healthier lifestyle, and we're going to show you some basic cupboard ingredients which are really good to have in the kitchen, and also some basic equipment. So this is step 1, getting started. Planning your meals into the week ahead is the first step towards eating healthily and regularly. Even if you do not follow it 100%, as things do get in the way, you need to set yourself some daily goals. Keep them realistic and achievable, as small daily successes will motivate you to carry on. It's good to use a meal planner to schedule your week and create a shopping list so you have the ingredients ready to prepare your meals.
Step 2, get prepping. Now you've done all your planning, you need to do your food shop and prepare the meals for the week. All right, you'll have to put some time aside to do this out of your schedule, perhaps at the weekend before the week starts. This will be worth it towards reaching your goals. It may seem like hard work when you first set out, but as you go along and keep this habit going, it should get a lot easier. And once you start to see progress, that'll help with the motivation as well. It also means when you go out, you'll be ready for the day ahead. You can take your lunch out, and it will help you avoid buying those impulsive snacks and sort of unhealthy, high-calorie lunches that are out there. And then in the evening, when you get home, if you're tired, it's all there ready to go, just to pop in the microwave or the oven.
So step 3, it's time to put your plan into action. Now you've completed your planning, you will need a few essential tools and ingredients to start putting your plans into action. Food scales. These are essential for weighing your ingredients and maintaining good portion control. And food storage containers. These are really handy to store and organise all your new healthy, tasty meals for the week ahead. So here's a list of some store, cupboard and freezer essentials. These are for some core ingredients that you could keep in the cupboard or your fridge freezer so you don't get caught out. So it's great in the cupboard to have some mixed herbs, some black pepper, chili powder, curry powder, oregano and rosemary are a really good start. Some lemon juice, some tinned tomatoes, tinned pulses such as butter beans, chickpeas and tinned or dried lentils. Tinned fish, for example tuna, mackerel, sardines, and it's good to have them in water, not brine or sunflower oil. Tinned fruit in the fruit juice rather than syrup. Tinned and frozen vegetables in water, again not brine. It's good to choose wholemeal pasta, brown or basmati rice, bulgur wheat and couscous and quinoa. Have some dried fruit for snacks as well, but make sure you portion control it as they are high in natural sugar. Use unsaturated oils such as sunflower, rapeseed or a lighter olive oil for cooking, or even buy yourself an oil cooking spray. If you're going to use it out of the bottle, use a spoon to measure them out. It's good to have a few onions in the cupboard and some garlic, some plain flour, some low salt variety vegetable stock cubes and some porridge. And in your fridge and freezer, eggs are really nutritious. Keep them on the side. Keep some low-fat yogurt, low-fat cheese, and it's good to keep in your freezer some frozen portions of fish and meat.
Step 4 is making sure you have the proper equipment to make all the healthy meals that you might want to. You may already have some of these, but if not, you can get them cheaply at a variety of shops these days. The main things you will need moving forward are a chopping board, a sharp knife, a mixing bowl, a grater, a spatula, a measuring jug, a set of measuring spoons or a teaspoon, 5 millilitres, a dinner spoon, 10 millilitres, and a tablespoon, 15 millilitres. A wooden spoon, a whisk, a saucepan, a frying pan, a colander, a casserole dish, an oven dish, a non-stick wok, not essential, but a good addition. A hand blender, also not essential, but handy to have. A steamer or steaming basket to put on top of a saucepan.
Here are some healthier cooking tips. We do need some fat in our diet, but fat is high in calories, so watch out how much oil you use when you are cooking, even with healthier fats, such as olive oil. Measure out cooking oil rather than pouring it straight from a container, or use a spray. Buy leaner options of certain foods. Trim off visible fat and drain off fat when cooking can all help with reducing the fat content of your meals. Frying adds fat to your meals, so aim to have fewer fried foods. Try these tips to cut down on fat. Grilling, a quick and healthier way of cooking as it doesn't use any fat. Poaching, a fat-free way of cooking eggs, some meats and fish using a pan of boiling water. Steaming, a fat-free way of cooking veg and fish. Boiling in water adds no calories to food. Remember not to add salt to the cooking water or add a little less each time. And also you can dry fry. Fry base ingredients like onions, garlic, chilies and spices on a low heat without oil to have flavour without the fat. Frozen and canned veg and fruit are just as nutritious as fresh and cheaper, and steamed veg locks in nutrients and doesn't go mushy. There are some great websites that you can get good recipe ideas from. Check out these websites below for great healthy recipes. And also, you could download the Easy Meal app onto your mobile.